In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a card in Trello. Archiving is a simple, tidy way to clear finished or irrelevant work off your board without deleting it. Think of it like putting a file into storage. It's out of sight on your active board, but all the card's details, titles, descriptions, comments, and attachments remain preserved behind the scenes in Trello's archive. We'll cover two quick ways to archive a card, starting with the most common view, the card back. Begin by opening the card you want to remove from your board. When the card opens, you'll see a panel of options on the right side labeled Actions. This is where Trello gathers key housekeeping tools. Look toward the bottom right of that Actions area and click Archive. The moment you do, the card will disappear from your list and board view, reducing visual clutter while safely storing the card out of the way. If your window is narrow, you might need to scroll that Actions panel to find the Archive option. Don't worry, once archived, nothing is lost. You're simply clearing the board so you can focus on what's current. Now let's look at the second approach from the board view. This method is great when you don't need to open the card at all. Hover your mouse pointer over the card in the list. A small pencil icon, often labeled as an edit or quick edit option, appears on the card. Click that pencil to open a compact menu, then choose Archive. That's it. The card is instantly archived from the board view without extra clicks or distractions. If you don't see the pencil right away, make sure your mouse is actually hovering over the card. The menu only appears on hover to keep the board clean and streamlined. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Archiving is reversible, unlike deleting, so it's a safe way to clean up without losing important history or attachments. If you work with a team and don't see the archive option, it may be due to board permission set by an admin. Also, consider archiving once a task is fully complete or when a card is no longer actionable. Keeping your board focused helps you and your teammates instantly see what matters most. To recap, you can archive from the card back via the Actions panel, or archive directly from the board by hovering over the card, clicking the pencil icon, and selecting Archive. Use whichever suits your workflow best, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Trello board.